So today we're unboxing the new and improved V2 Hyperfan. You'll notice that it's got new rebranded packaging that's full of useful information, and inside the box you'll find your fan, instructions, cables and controller. The supplied controller can now regulate output levels from 0% to 100%. It's still not temperature sensitive, but if you want full thermostatic control you can team the V2 Hyperfan up with almost any controller in the gas range. You'll need a separate cable to convert it to a 3-pin connector, which is gas cable pack 16. It also comes supplied with a converter that you can use to link your Hyperfan to a Gavita EL1F or EL2F. You get a 2-meter kettle lead to power the unit, and if you need a longer one, you can extend the reach using any IEC cable with an adequately fused plug. The V2 Hyperfan is manufactured to an even better standard than the original and improves on the previous model in a number of ways. Most importantly, it handles loads like an absolute trooper and will lose even less pressure than the original when you attach a carbon filter due to its improved digital motor. And it now has a rim that sits just behind the spigot, allowing you to get a better fit with your ducting. The metal case feels a lot more solid than the original, and you'll be pleased to know that it comes with a similar blue paint job that really stands out in your grow room. To learn more, give us a call or come and see us in store.